like, for real for a second?
Yeah, sure. What's good? What's wrong?
Don't you think it's about time that we, do it?
Wow, Steph. I appreciate the offer, but I'm gonna have to say no.
Why not?
Well, you see, I have this theory that all the great art created by men in this world is because they were sexually frustrated. I mean, look at Van Gogh. He practically wrote the book on sexual frustration. And the decline of the Beatles was because, like, they were sexually satisfied. I mean, I don't want to do that to my band.
That's not fair. I mean, I'm not in a band, and if I'd known that...
All right, okay. Let's compromise. How about you let me get one good love song out of this? I mean, a fantastic love song, and then we can do it, okay?
All right, but don't take too long, okay?
I want love that's right, but right is only half of what's wrong. I want a short-haired girl who sometimes wears it twice as long. Now I'm stepping out this old brown shoe. Baby, I'm in love with you. So glad you came here. Won't be the same now I'm telling you. You know, you pick me up from west and try to drag me down. And when I see your smile, replacing every thoughtless round. So escaping from the zoo. Baby, I'm in love with you. I'm so glad you came here. Won't be the same now when I'm with you. If I grow up, I'll be a singer, wearing rings on it.
Let's get lunch.
Do you guys ever wonder what would happen if you put a slinky on an up escalator? I've got two conflicting theories. Either the slinky will be accelerated by gravity until it reaches the speed that exceeds that of the escalator, or it'll reset its acceleration every time until it reaches a speed equal to that of the escalator.
So, what's new with you, Ringo?
My girlfriend's trying to get me to have sex with her.
Yeah, I hate it when that happens. Am I the only normal one here?
Here's your check.
How are you guys splitting this up?
What do you mean, you guys?
A girl never pays when she's out with boys.
But you were a feminist.
I am, mostly.
Alright, okay. There's a dancing elephant in this room, and someone needs to talk about it, because we're all just ignoring it. That dancing elephant is the topic of our band name.
What about Foxadelic?
No, how about Planet of the Apes?
How about Space Invaders?
Chain-smoking fish.
Tetris! Soylent Green! I got it, Duck Hunt.
Public apology.
No. This is it. Swingin' Moses and the Ten Commandments.
No.
The Slinkies.
Slinkies.
That's like a band or something?
We're not a band, we're part of a band. Please not touch that. What's your name anyway, kid?
My name's Eugene. What's yours?
My name's Ringo.
Whoa!
Yeah, well, my mom had a bit of a Beatles thing anyway. Like, my older siblings are named George, John, and Pauline. I'm the youngest. They all went to college.
Your name is Ringo when you play the drums. That's classic. Oh, I gotta go.
Was that kid just harassing? It's so irritating.
Where were you 5 minutes ago?
Where have you been all my life?
Oh, kiss me, you fool.
Alright, you two, take it easy now.
Sorry.
Hold on, guys. Has anyone else noticed how the Elmer's Glue Corporation seems to have inadvertently sullied their own reputation?
Sometimes I have no idea what you're talking about.
Means you've got to make a phone call.
Hi, is this Elmer's? Yeah, I had a question about your glue. I'm looking at your bottle right now, and it says glue all multi-purpose glue. Well, It glues paper to plastic, right? Really? Well, why don't you use your glue then to glue your own label to the bottle? You use someone else's glue? Well, if you're using their glue, does that mean that's better? Why don't you give me their number and I'm going to call them and I'll buy their glue. No, this isn't a prank call. What do you mean you know I'm pranking you? Maybe I know you're pranking me. Would you be pranking me right now? No, of course not. If I was prank calling you, I'd ask him some stupid question like, why is the glue white? Or actually, why is the glue white? Is there like milk in it? Because there is a cow on the front. No, you gotta be lying to me right now. Could you put me on with your manager? And what's your name? You know what? Alright, John. Why don't you put me on with Elmer? Alright, I'll hold.
I've got a problem.
Part of the miss?
Definitely.
What's the problem?
I think I like Beth.
No, you don't.
What? How do you know?
Because you'd never do anything that had even a remote possibility of failing with the band, would you? So that's it, end of story.
There's a thing, okay?
Wait, there's a thing? You should have known there'd be a thing. I hate things so much.
The thing is, I've been coasting along so great for so long, and where has it got me?
Foolish consistency is the hobgoblin of small minds.
Exactly.
But then again, responsibility is the bedrock of civilization.
Who the fuck said that?
I did.
Oh.
I did.
Yeah.
Hey, Ringo, how's my song coming?
There we go. How's the song coming? Shit. Damn, it's good. It's real good. Coming along nice.
What's wrong? You seem upset.
It's just this hard math problem. I mean, you know.
I gotta go. Bye.
She hates math.
Yeah.
I mean, this whole situation's foobar. Like, you know my whole theory on sexual frustration, right?
Yeah, root of all art.
Well, it's bullshit. The truth, it's much worse. What I say here now never leaves this booth, right?
Of course.
Alright. Truth is, I'm afraid of sex. Me, afraid of sex. It's the most ridiculous thing you've ever heard? Aren't you gonna say something?
Actually, that explains a lot.
Hey, what's up? Why are you always so late? Even during the school year?
I don't really have an alarm clock now.
I've got an extra clock radio. I mean, if you want me...
No, I've got a clock and I've got a radio. Never the twain shall meet. I wish that unholy marriage had never been consummated. I gotta go to the John.
I'm gonna miss those little rants.
Shut up. I'm not gonna break up the band, okay?
Yes, you are. Just by thinking thoughts like that. Would you stop?
Stop what?
Stop thinking.
Oh my god. What are you eating? Cornflakes on your pizza? What is that?
I have breakfast.
I'm not gonna break up the band, alright? I don't even know if she feels the same way about me that I do about her.
So you got girl trouble, huh?
Of course.
Yeah, I had the same problem. See, I wasn't sure if Beth liked me, but she kept giving me all these weird looks, and then I figured out a week later. She liked me.
It's good to know.
So you're Eugene?
Yeah.
That's not so bad. My real name's Ernst.
Really?
No. You don't like Eugene so much. Just get a nickname. T-Bone Fats.
Foxy lady. Foxy.
What's wrong, man? You sick or something?
No. Yeah, I guess you could say that.
You need some Advil, Tylenol, some morphine?
No, I don't think that would help right now.
Why not? What's wrong, man?
Well, you know those looks that Beth used to give to you?
Yeah.
I think she's giving them to me now, and I really want to give them back.
I see.
Look, we need this band, all of us. We can't give up now over something like this. How can we ever expect to be useful members of society? I mean, if we quit now, we'll never be able to look ourselves in the mirror without seeing the word quitter tattooed on our foreheads. Backwards. So we can read it.
Is it my imagination, or do I
Hey, what's up?
you
What's going on there?
We gotta talk about something.
Is it my imagination? Is it my imagination, or do you feel the same way about me? Is it my imagination? Ooh, when you're around, I don't make a sound. I don't wanna shake you. Oh, when you're around, I tiptoe around. I don't wanna break you.
Who are we gonna get to play bass?
Hey kid, can you play bass?
Do I play bass?
Is that a yes?
Is that a yes?
Can you stop talking like that?
Can I stop talking like, yeah?
Hey, kid, what's your name?
The name Fever.
So what are we gonna do now?
We're going to the mall.
Why would we go to the mall? Yes!